Hi everybody, it's John here from Webbers and Braunton, and this is a video tour for 1A Stallards. It's on the Saunton side of Braunton's village, and it's got easy access to the award-winning spa, golf club, and obviously the village centre as well, and leading out further out to the coastal locations such as Croy Beach, Saunton, Barnstaple as well. So here we are outside the front, which as you can see is located back from the road with a driveway parking for 2 cars and a garage. Got side access there as well, and a gate to the other side as well leading to the lawn. Let's take a look inside. Here we are in the entrance hall, which as you can see is a good size. Stairs to the first floor with a useful understairs cupboard. And the property has been holiday let previously, and it is immaculately kept throughout with neutral colours as well. And it really is a light and airy 4-bedroom chalet bungalow. So as you come through the entrance hall, we've got one lovely sized double bedroom to the ground floor with fitted cupboards and wardrobe. We have a useful downstairs shower room, which is perfect for that versatile living. So if you do need to live on the ground floor primarily, you can. Got a useful utility room, plumbing for washing machine, door leading out into the rear. Fantastic size cupboard. Into the kitchen. So as you can see, it's well equipped, plenty of base units, space for fridge freezer, larder cupboard, integral dishwasher, oven and hob, and window through, looking out towards the dunes in the distance. It really is a lovely open outlook here. This archway through into the dining room. It's a really lovely social space that links back through to the main entrance hall. Plenty of windows to let the light in with LED downlighters, and then doors leading down into the lounge, which as you can see, again full of windows with the blinds shut across just to allow you to see the room, because the light comes right the way through. It's the south facing rear garden. Let's take a look upstairs. So here we are upstairs on the landing, which as you can see, nice light open space. Got 3 double bedrooms up here as well. It's a really good sized room, currently dressed as a twin room. Space for furniture and eave storage. This room's currently dressed with a single bed but can fit a double. It's the smallest of the full rooms, but as you can see, it's still a nice size. Plenty of light coming through as well. A family bathroom to service the 2 bedrooms on this floor. Towel rail, bath and 3-piece suite. And then the main bedroom, which is through here, so you've got storage there. As you come through, it's a really nice light dual aspect room. As you can see, plenty of space for furniture and a large bed. Got an outlook that way, letting the light through, and of course lovely views distant towards the dunes. As you can see, it's a really nice open light plot here, and you've got more built-in eave storage cupboards there, and of course its own ensuite shower room. Let's take a look outside. Okay, so here we are outside. So there's the side gate off the driveway there, leading to the garden space, and there's another one to the other side of the garage. As you can see, it's a lovely open plot. We are raised from the roadside, so it does offer privacy when you're sat down, just to enjoy the lovely sun coming through. And the dunes, also please ignore the digger just doing some work down the bottom there. As you see, you've got a manageable lawn, good sized patio for outdoor dining, enjoying those nice views, getting the sun most of the day here as well in this part of the garden. Patio doors leading through to the lounge, outside plugs. And as we come around here, you'll just see patio flows around the whole property. Door back through to the utility room there. Easy maintenance, plenty of space for a shed or outside storage. There's the other gate down the side of the garage. And I'll just show you the inside of the garage as well. So really handy, plenty of power points throughout the garage. Boiler in here as well. As it was holiday let, they did put a store in here just to save some space for people to put their wetsuits and surfboards outside still. Obviously that would fit outside in a conventional living, although if you want to continue holiday letting it would make sense. You do also have water in here, as well as power and lighting, and of course up and over door as well. So it is a good sized space, over 21 foot long, and as you can see is a really handy space to have, especially with all the outdoor bits and bobs that you'd want. And that concludes the video tour for 1A Stallards. So give us a call on 01271 812 263.